How to create a playlist on YouTube using iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube app. Now navigate to the U tab. Once you're in this page, you're going to find a fin section. Head over to the section playlist. Click on this plus option. Now you can create a playlist. Firstly, give a title. Select the visibility. You can enable or disable for this option collaborate. And now click on create. And just with that, you have created a playlist on YouTube. Now to add videos, click on this option. Search for the video that you want to add to your playlist. Click on the option Save to Playlist. Now you can head back and check your playlist. The selected videos will appear under your playlist. So this is how you can easily create a playlist on YouTube using iPhone. By following the same steps, you can easily create other playlists as well. By following the same steps, you can easily create as many playlists as you want. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.